We are the Tinitussis from Hamburg, Germany, and we are here on the frame of the HONK festival in Frankfurt. We warmly welcome you at Bingley Market Square. And, I guess the sun will come